Let's take up oxidation state and trends in chemical reactivity of group 17 elements. All halogens exhibit -1 oxidation state. However, chlorine, bromine, iodine exhibit +1, +3, +5 and +7 oxidation state due to availability of d orbitals and excitation of electrons in d orbitals. The higher oxidation states of chlorine, bromine, and iodine are realized mainly in oxyhalogen compounds and interhalogen compounds because and mostly with the fluorine and oxygen atom because fluorine and oxygen atom are strong oxidizing agents and they are smaller in size. Fluorine atom does not have d orbital in the valence shell, so it cannot expand its octet. Being the most electronegative, it exhibits -1 oxidation state. +1 oxidation state it shows only in HOF, which is stable at -40 degrees centigrade. Higher positive oxidation states are not possible due to non-availability of d orbitals. The reactivity halogens decreases down the group due to decrease in bond dissociation energy in general, along with electron gain enthalpy and hydration energy. So the net result is that F2 is more reactive than Cl2 is more reactive than Br2 is more reactive than iodine. Ready acceptance of an electron is the reason for strong oxidizing nature of halogens. Fluorine is strongest oxidizing agent and it oxidizes all other halides in aqueous solution, even in solid phase. So F2 can displace chlorine, bromine and iodine from their salt solution. Chlorine will displace bromine and iodine from their salt solution. Bromine can displace iodine from its salt solution. Reactivity, if we compare with other elements, as compared to nitrogen, which has got 225 kilojoules per mole, reactivity of halogen as compared to nitrogen, oxygen and hydrogen, they are much more reactive as compared to nitrogen, oxygen and hydrogen. Reason being that nitrogen has triple bond, oxygen has double bond, hydrogen has single bond but smaller in size, that's why it has high bond dissociation energy. Halogens have got bond dissociation energy in the range of 35 to 57.2. Fluorine oxidizes water to oxygen, whereas chlorine and bromine react with water to form corresponding hypohalic and hypohalous acid. The reaction of iodine with water is non-spontaneous. Actually, iodide ion can be oxidized by oxygen in acidic medium. Fluorine is reacting with water to form HF, which gives H ion and fluoride ion, and oxygen is displaced. This will be with the cold water. Cl2 and Br2 will react to form HX, that is HCl and HBr, HOBr and HCl, whereas iodide ion in acidic medium with oxygen get oxidized to iodine plus 2 water. The iodide ion is acting as reducing agent and its best reducing agent among halide ions. Reaction with the hydrocarbons, methane reacts with fluorine. Even in dark it reacts explosively and bond breaks when we get carbon plus 4HF. Methane reacts with chlorine in presence of sunlight, gives chloromethane. Further chlorination gives dichloromethane, then trichloromethane or chloroform, and finally carbon tetrachloride or tetrachloromethane. It follows free radical chain reaction. Most of the reactions of fluorine are exothermic due to small and strong bond formed by it with other elements. It forms only one oxo acid, that is HOF, which is also stable only at -40 degrees centigrade, whereas other elements form number of oxo acids. HF, its hydride is liquid, boiling point 293 Kelvin due to strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding, whereas other hydrogen halides are gases. HBr, HCl, HI are gases. Reactivity towards hydrogen, they all react with hydrogen to give hydrogen halides, but affinity for hydrogen decreases. From fluorine to iodine, they dissolve in water forming hypohalic acid. H2 and F2 react in dark to form 2HF, whereas H2 and Cl2 react in sunlight, in the presence of sunlight to form 2HCl. H2 plus Br2 gives 2HBr and H2 plus I2 reacts reversibly to form HI. The acid strength of these acids, HF is weakest acid and acidic character increases down the group. HF is weaker than HCl is weaker than HBr is weaker than HI because bond dissociation energy decreases down the group. HF has got smallest bond length, so it has high bond dissociation energy. HI has largest bond length, therefore it has lowest bond dissociation energy. Stability of these halides also decreases down the group. HF is most stable, whereas HI is least stable because bond dissociation energy of HF is highest and HI is lowest. Properties of hydrogen halide: melting point of HF is highest, and among HCl, HBr, HI, HCl has lowest, and then it goes on increasing because HCl has got least molecular weight, least surface area, least van der Waals force of attraction. HBr has higher and HI has highest. Boiling point also, HF has highest, after that HCl has lowest, and then HBr has higher than HCl and HI has higher than HBr because in HCl, HBr, HI all are gases. Molecular weight increases, van der Waals force of attraction increases, hence boiling point increases. Bond length of HF is 91.7 picometer, which is smallest. HCl is higher, HBr is higher, and HI is highest. Bond dissociation energy of HF is 574 kilojoules per mole, which is highest, and it goes on decreasing to HCl, then HBr is lower and HI is lowest. pKa value of HF is 3.2, HCl is -7, HBr is -9.5, and HI is -10. Means HI is the strongest acid, HF is weakest acid. Reactivity towards oxygen: halogens form many oxides with oxygen, but most of them are unstable. Fluorine forms two oxides, OF2 and O2F2. Why these two are called fluorides and not oxides? Because fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen. All other compounds of oxygen with halogens are called oxides because oxygen is more electronegative than other halogens. However, only OF2 is thermally stable at 298 Kelvin and it's a good oxidizing agent. These oxides are essentially oxygen fluoride. Both are strong fluorinating agents. O2F2 oxidizes plutonium to plutonium hexafluoride, and this reaction is used for removing unused plutonium as plutonium hexafluoride from spent nuclear fuel. Chlorine, bromine, and iodine form oxides in which the oxidation states of these halogens vary from +1 to +7. A combination of kinetic and thermodynamic factors lead to the generally decreasing order of stability of oxides formed by halogens. I2O5 is iodine forms. Iodine oxides are more stable than chlorine oxide, which are more stable than bromine oxides. The higher oxides of halogen tend to be more stable than the lower ones. Chlorine oxides Cl2O, ClO2, Cl2O6, Cl2O7 are highly reactive oxidizing agents and tend to explode. ClO2 is used as bleaching agent for paper pulp and textile and its treatment of water. Bromine oxide Br2O, BrO2, BrO3 are least stable halogen oxides and exist only at low temperature. They are very powerful oxidizing agents. The iodine oxide I2O4, I2O5, I2O7 are insoluble solid and decompose on heating. I2O5 is a very good oxidizing agent and is used in estimation of carbon monoxide, which reacts with I2O5 to form carbon dioxide, and iodine is liberated, which can be titrated with sodium thiosulfate using starch as indicator. Chlorine monoxide reacts with water to form hypochlorous acid. Chlorine dioxide is a mixed anhydride of chlorous acid and chloric acid. Cl2O6 is also anhydride of chloric acid and perchloric acid, and chlorine heptoxide is anhydride of perchloric acid. Chlorine heptoxide is highly acidic and HClO4 is strongly acidic among all these. These are structure of oxygen OF2, where oxygen undergoes sp3 hybridization, bond angle is 105. ClO2O also has sp3 hybridization and bond angle is 105, and Br2O is oxygen undergoes sp3 hybridization and bond angle is 110. Reactivity towards metal: halogens react with metals to form metal halides. For example, Bromine reacts with magnesium to give magnesium bromide, MgBr2. Ionic character of NaF is more than NaCl, is more than NaBr, is more than NaI. That is, same alkali metals, fluorides will be most ionic and iodide will be least ionic. And same it is due to ionic character. Fluorides are most ionic because fluorine is most electronegative, and that's why they have high melting point. So melting point and ionic character follows this order. If the metal exhibits more than one oxidation state, then the higher oxidation state will be more covalent and lower oxidation state will be more ionic. Because higher the cation with smaller size and higher charge has high polarizing power and forms covalent compounds than ionic compounds. SnCl4, PbCl4, SbCl5, UF6 are covalent. SnCl2, PbCl2, SbCl3 and UF4 are ionic.